Hello friends, welcome back to this amazing star puzzle. So here, what number will replace question mark? So we have to solve this answer. What will be the number in place of this question mark? I will give you some time. You can pause the video. I will show you the solution after 30 seconds. Okay friends, time up. Just solve this question mark puzzle, the star puzzle. We have to sort out what is the number that replaces this question mark. So let's start with the smallest number. The first number is 7. The second number is 16. So do you find any combination here? Let me solve out this. 7 into 2 is equal to 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Okay, so 7 into 2, 14 plus 2 is 16. Now let's solve this 16 one. How does this 34 comes? So this is also the same logic. 16 into 2 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Okay, so the next one is 34 into 2 is 2 4 is 8, 68. So 34 into 2 is 68 plus 2 is equal to 70. So 70 comes with the question mark. So 70 can be our answer. Okay. So next is 140. The 70 into 2 is 140 plus 2 is 142. Okay, so it seems 70 is our correct answer. Let's do the next one as well. 142 into 2 is 284. 84 plus 2 is 286. So question mark number is 70. Thank you friends. If you like my puzzle answer, do subscribe to the channel. There is a red button which says subscribe. Do subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.